how can mothers start bonding with her baby even before they are holding them?
So, if you think of, it's very difficult to comprehend the
Hmm.
intangible in a tangible format. And you have not seen the baby, and it's only the test that is telling you that there is something, and you're going through a
Correct.
turmoil at that time. You're puking, and all of that is happening. But, actually, what is the sense that is bonding? I think the sense of hearing develops by the time the body is formed, 3 months,
Hmm.
the second trimester of pregnancy.
Yes.
So the sense of hearing starts, but even before that, placenta is there in place now. Your emotions, your biochemistry is there. That's passing into the placenta.
Hmm.
So your calm is there, calm. So you have to monitor. The moment you are anxious, the moment you are angry, the moment you lose your temper, some negative chemicals they pass through your placenta. That is there that we don't even know. Now the important thing is what when we are conscious about things like what we are listening, what we are talking, that matters. So sense of hearing is very important. That is happening during the pregnancy. Sense of hearing. So and your feelings, your kinesthetic also, your the child's movement and your movements also. Kinesthetic, auditory, and biochemistry. That is the way. So what the child is listening, that is going to matter. So you watch a movie which is having violent scenes, and you can feel the kicking of the baby. The child gets violent inside. That kicking starts. Mama, kya dekh rahe ho? Something like that. Or when you're calm and you're talking very nicely in a very calm tone, then feel the moments. You can actually feel that. There's a difference, a hell lot of difference between the two kinds of movements. So this is sense of hearing, the auditory thing, and then your emotions. You're calm and controlled and very peaceful, and feel the moments at that time. And when you are in a turmoil, when you are excited and all that, then feel the emotions. There's a hell lot of difference. See, the child will show its responses in different manners. If you are aware of it, you can actually feel it. And even your biochemistry. So as it is as a person also, you can if you have a state choice, you see how you are responding. Otherwise you're reacting all the time. So this is going to show up when the child is born. You talk a very simple thing and you see the reaction coming up, and you wonder, kaisa bachcha de diya bhagwan ne mujhe, kahan se aa gaye ye sare genes, we wonder at that time,
Yes.
how did this happen?
Great.
So bonding, you can have a small ritual, like you can pick up a book and start storytelling to your unborn baby. Just imagine the baby is there, even if you're not able to feel it.
Hmm.
Just try to feel that and narrate a story. Now what is happening? So many kinds of vocabulary, words are coming up. The baby is listening to so many kinds of your voice going up, coming down, and you are also enjoying. The baby is also enjoying, and again the movements will start, and in a very nice controlled manner you can feel the calm in the baby. You are enjoying and the baby is also enjoying.
Great.
Small affirmations: I love you, you are safe, I'm waiting to see you. Just small things. Just talk to your whisper to your baby and see how the baby is responding.
Great.
So this is going to be in a way, it's going to become the library of emotions for your child.
Hmm.
In a way, you are shaping you're wiring the brain, directing the brain how it has to respond.
Hmm.
That is the beauty. And when the child is born, I remember a very small thing. I was very fond of singing when I was pregnant. And this was not my first pregnancy. You're shy at the first pregnancy, and second time you are a little bold, you have a child with you, and you are tuned to that house. And I used to sing very loudly that song, Daler Mehndi ka, na 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 re na re na re. And I didn't know a single thing about how you can design. My children, they were just born. I didn't know anything about it. And only thing that used to happen is my daughter used to play while he was small, and when I used to put him to sleep, she used to play with her cousin. They used to make a lot of noise. I used to close the door, put on the TV, and so that only the sound in the room moves around, and my son is not affected by somebody's playing around, and he goes to sleep. So on that TV, that was the time that cable TV had just come by, and that song used to come by, na, 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 and my son used to just get up, as if he remembered that song. He used to hear that in the womb. As a womb, he was listening to that sound, and when he was born, he used to just get up and respond to that music. So this response, that whatever you're doing when the mother is pregnant, when the baby is born, when the baby is crying, if you put on that specific music, you'll see the baby will be calm. He'll stop crying.
Great, great. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that personal side of yours, so that audience
My
can
pleasure.
relate it.